In our last video, we brought you to the newest strip hotel in Las Vegas, the Vanderpump Hotel. Together we explored the property, including the bars. Heck, I even had a drink at the bar. In this video, I'm gonna bring you into my stateroom here at the Vanderpump, give you the lowdown of what's included and the amenities inside the stateroom. This being a small boutique hotel with less than 200 rooms, there are only 2 elevators going up to the hotel rooms. We are on the 7th floor, and on each floor there's a nice bench right next to the elevator for you to sit down if you want a small break before walking to your hotel room. And here's my room, room 750 on the 7th floor of the new Vanderpump Hotel. It's a Vanderpump room with 2 queen beds. I don't like people spying on me, but Lisa's distinctive eyes certainly caught my eyes. It's a mirror reflecting her picture, her eyes, from on top of the nightstand. It is good that Lisa Vanderpump didn't try to stuff the room with a lot of oversized furniture. I like the simple aspects of the different furniture pieces. They're small enough, which make the already smaller size room feel a little bit bigger. Each room is provided with a handheld steamer, blow dryer, bathrobes, and slippers. The bathroom itself is very small. You barely have enough space to turn around with the barn door closed. The shower is equipped with a ceiling-mounted shower head. And the soap and body lotions are branded Vanderpump. Although the shower gel, shampoo and conditioners are in the special Vanderpump branded containers, they are the standard Caesar's varieties. An important thing to note is that there's only 1 garbage can in the entire hotel room, so you have to run back and forth from your sleeping area to the bathroom if you want to throw away some garbage. One thing that it does have going for it is that it has a high ceiling, so although the room is very small, the high ceiling makes it seem less cramped. The room is equipped with an espresso machine that you're free to use, and there are 6 pots available for your use. It also provides you with 4 tea bags and a couple of bottled waters. The room has a mini bar that's well stocked. Take a look at the price list that I have later on in the video for the prices. During my stay, there were complimentary cocktail hours each day between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m., although I did not take advantage of the cocktail hour. Here are the prices of the in-room dining during my stay. And here are the minibar prices. There's not much of a view outside. I'm facing Horseshoe, and that's what I'm able to see. The tower in front of me is the Versailles Tower of Paris, and you can see the Cosmopolitan Hotel in the distance, and closer to me you can see the Old Red. Well, since these coffee pods are available, let's make a coffee. Like I said, there are different tea bags available if you're not a coffee drinker. Well, my coffee is done. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. If you like the video, please give me a like. Subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next video.